Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to create this kind of, I want to say cranberry, but is it really? I don't know, but it's for Thanksgiving, so I'm saying cranberry. This cranberry eye look with the beautiful, beautiful Mono Renaissance that I have missed so much. I'm sorry I abandoned you. But you basically can use any eyeshadow shades, like the rosy, cranberries, berries, pinky tones. Any of those tones will work for this kind of look that I did today. And I really like how it came out. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Okay guys, we're gonna start off with the eyes using the Mono Renaissance. I already have my foundation on, concealer, powder, and I did my brows. Because I mainly want to just, focus on the rest of the look. And maybe cut some time off this video if I would stop, jibber jabbering. But I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Go. Come on. Paused. Oh, there we go. Okay. I clipped back my bangs. You can see that. Yeah. This is as zoomed in as I can get with the lens that I have. So I think that's good enough now. Okay. So, starting off with the Mono Renaissance. Which shade do I want to go with first? This is always a tough decision. Wait, do I want to go in golden ochre? Golden ochre, or do I want to go in with burnt orange? If only you guys could tell me, like right now, which shade I should go in. I'm gonna just go with burnt orange, y'all. That's what I'm gonna go with. That's what we're sticking with. Okay. Damn nabbit, forgot my mirror. We're back. Got my mirror. I handed in the mirror, guys. And we're gonna start with burnt orange in the crease. This is gonna be a very simple, I hope, cranberry-ish look for Thanksgiving. Yeah. I just did, my most recent video was like a fall look, which was a lot of oranges, so. As much as I love pumpkin pie, I'm not gonna, do the same thing. But yeah, starting off with burnt orange in the crease. We're just gonna blend, blend, blend. And circular and wind wiper motions. Why does this feel like it's not going as well as I would like? I don't know what's going on with this eye. It's looking weird. I'm not a blending queen, so I probably could use work on that. You are a blending queen. I mean, hopefully that's even. I made as even as I think I could possibly do it, but that is a strong color, guys. That is very strong. Okay, going in with a slightly smaller brush, if I could find it. Hold on, I'll find it. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna figure this out. And we'll move on with this eye look together. So, after blending in that nice orange transition shade, I don't know why I say it like that. But we're gonna go in next with, which shade would I like to go in with next? If you guys could vote, which color should I go in with next? Maybe I should go in with red ochre or Venetian red and love leather. I'm gonna go in with Venetian red and then put that all in the outer crease and V of my eye, just in this area, all up in there. We're gonna go in with Venetian red. And if you don't have the Modern Renaissance color, I would say it is a nice berry color. Yeah. I'm gonna pat this in and then work it in the crease. Pat, pat, pat. I really wish Pat McGrath was, cruelty free, because I would really like to try her stuff, but I can't. I'm gonna try to point it out in the outer corner. Try to make it V-like, feline flick with an eyeshadow. Most likely won't be the same shade because my eyes never are. I'm just that bad. I mean, I'm just that good, I'm so good on makeup that my eyeshadow never matches. I don't know where I was going with this. Yeah, I'm gonna go back in with my first brush with no new product and just blend the crease a little more. Just finesse it, Make sure everything is nice and blended. As nicely blended as it can be. I have missed you, Modern Renaissance. I have missed you terribly. I'm gonna just try to even it out. Excuse me, mirror. I don't think I can help it. My eye shapes are just, they don't like each other. And to go all over the lid, I'm gonna go in with Love Letter and just pat that on everywhere. I just need a flat brush, or just any brush that will cooperate. Okay, I'm gonna just use this one. I'm just gonna pack on Love Letter all over the lid. Taking Love Letter, hopefully it won't produce a lot of fallout. We're gonna gently pat this all over the crease. Not the crease, the lid. Don't even know what I'm talking about. And since, this is kind of like a concealer brush and it's super flat, we can use the flat edge to kind of shape it a longer crease, which is exactly what I'm doing. And then after we get that color all over I can't even talk. After we get that color all over the crease, on both eyes, I'm gonna finish up the other eye. Probably should do that. I'm gonna go back in with Venetian red and add more to the outer corner. And you know what? I might even go in with red ochre to deepen that. I don't want the fallout on my under eyes. I'm gonna look sickly. Going back in with Venetian red. I'm gonna add more to the outer corner. I don't know if they show up any different on camera. If they're just too close of the same color. But we're gonna keep adding it. And we're gonna blend. I wanna deepen the crease, so I'm gonna use the Anastasia brush that comes with it. Feels pretty soft. I'm gonna take red ochre, which is right next to. It's more of a brown red. But hopefully. Maybe I should go in with Cypress Umber to deepen it. You know what, I'll try that next. Well, we're gonna go in with red ochre. I really hope this was recorded the whole time because now I'm super paranoid. I've just been, talking to myself. And it really is just me talking to myself because I didn't even record it for you guys. Yep. Okay, yeah. I feel like this color is gonna do the trick. I mean, I don't want it to look super deep, but I want there to be some difference from the lid to the outer crease, you know? And I'm just blending it slightly into the crease and trying to blend in love letter with it. Just blend them together. Yep, I like that a lot better now. Since I already have my concealer and stuff on, we're gonna do the lower lash line also. Let me use this brush. What other brush? I'm gonna use this pencil brush too. I'm gonna start off with this brush, which is a Luxie 213 eye shading brush, but I'm gonna use it to smudge the bottom lower lash line. We're gonna start with burnt orange. Ooh, that is a lot of color. And we're gonna take this completely throughout the whole lower lash line. Why did I stop using the Modern Renaissance? I was obsessed with it when it first came out and would not put it down. But I guess that happens with every palette, right? More new stuff comes out, you stop using what you used to love. But I still love you, and I need to use it more. These colors are my favorite. And then I'm going to take the pencil brush, and to define more from the middle part of my lash line out, I'm going to take should I just take Venetian red and then red ochre, or should I just take red ochre by itself? You know what? I'm just gonna smoke at the lower lash line with just two colors. I'm gonna use the color I already used, which was burnt orange, and I'm gonna just use red ochre. Let's see how that turns out. And we're gonna focus it here and connect it to the top lash line, and then I'm gonna smudge it out and blend it with the previous brush we just used, the eye shading brush from Luxie. Yep. Going back in with this brush, take a little more burnt orange. Just gonna blend this out and make sure it blends with the top half of our eye look. I also like to use this brush to perfect the shape. I think I like that. Super simple. And I think I want to go with Vermeer over the lid to add some shine. You can leave it like this, all matte. But I want to add some glitter. I don't have actual glitter. I really want to buy the Marc Jacobs sequins. Oh my god, they're so pretty. Or the Scattered Light from Hourglass. Or just any glitter. The steel ones would do good too. But yeah, I'm gonna take just with my finger Vermeer, and I'm gonna pat it over the lid. Hopefully it doesn't go on too thickly, because I just want a sheer amount of some shimmer. You know guys, I think I don't like that. I should have just left it matte. It's too late now, I'm gonna even out the other eye. But take this guys. I preferred it all matte. I don't know what you guys are gonna think, but I don't like this that I added up. I shouldn't have done it. I don't like it. Kind of just mixing it in now. I like it a little better, but I need the pink, the love letter shade to show more. I don't know how I feel about it, but I still like it. It's cool. Would have been better if I had actual like very shimmer shade with like no pigment. It's just a clear base. That would have been great. I think that's pretty much it for the eyes. I'm gonna add some mascara. And then I'll be back to do the rest of my face. I added some mascara. And then I decided to go add some liner to my waterline with the NYX Jumbo pencil in dark brown. So, next I'm gonna add some bronzer. We're gonna go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil bronzer. We're gonna go in with the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Chocolate bronzer. Just put this all over my face. Add some warmth. I'm a little scared about the glitter. I haven't tried this one yet. So. Ooh, that is very pigmented. I may have gone overboard. It's okay. It's okay if I went overboard. I always go overboard. Oh, it smells delicious. Oh, it smells like chocolate. Why does everything smell so good? Why? Honestly, why does this smell so good? I can't. It smells delicious. I can't, guys. I don't know why I'm whispering. I cannot. This smells so good. It smells like a good hot cup of cocoa. Ooh, bags, they got some amounts. It smells good and it tastes good. I don't recommend eating it though. Just saying, don't eat it. But I'm gonna go with the Flower Beauty. These cute little blushes that they came out with in the color Sweet Pea. I'm going to just blend this onto my cheeks. Hopefully I didn't get too much. I don't want it to be. It's just a little too cool toned for this look. Hopefully not. I've never used this brush with blush before. Not doing too bad. Not doing too bad at all. Oh, I like this blush. Why haven't I used it more? I should definitely use it more. I like it. Well, that's that. I'm not gonna add any highlight for this look today. I'm just gonna set everything with my favorite Pixie Rose Mist. Probably should have did that before I put mascara on, but it's too late now. I just realized I didn't do my inner corner highlight. No, we're just gonna take Vermeer in my finger and we're just gonna add some highlight to my inner corner. Much better. And for this look, I decided to give you two lip options. One lip option is going to be from Colourpop and Shayla collaboration called Come On Sis, which is a beautiful mauvey pink. It's gorgeous. And then I went for a deeper lip option with Melt Cosmetics Cherried. And those are two lip options I decided for this look. Okay, so that completes this look. Excuse the terrible lipstick application of this Melt Cherried lipstick. Love the color, but I totally need a lip liner, but I couldn't find one. I unfortunately do not have a lip liner that matches that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, fantastic, fabulous, fattening, delicious Thanksgiving. And if you guys would like to subscribe, I would really love to have you guys. Come back, enjoy my videos, consume them as I consume YouTube videos every day. Yeah, if you guys would like to subscribe, I would love to have you. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.